Hi everyone, so this tutorial video is how to get the range of the group data. So, how to get the range? To get the range is upper class boundary of the highest interval minus the lower class boundary of the lowest interval. So, here are the scores: 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, 41 to 45, and 46 to 50. And the frequency are 1, 10, 10, 16, 9, and 4. So, to get the range, like what I've said earlier, is to minus the lower class boundary of the lowest interval from the upper class boundary of the highest interval. So, the upper class limit of the highest interval is 50. And the upper class boundary of the highest interval is you need to add 0.5 to the highest score. So, 50 plus 0.5 is 50.5. And next is the lower class limit of the lowest interval is 21. So, the lower class boundary of the lowest interval is you need to subtract 0.5 to the lowest score. So, 21 minus 0.5 is 20.5. So, 50.5 minus 20.5 is 30. So, that is our range.